you're gonna select this, switch costume to, we have the basic and we have the spike. Select the spike, and now all of them will become spike. Like the spiky
Wait,
ones.
wait, what did you just do?
I'm just showing that you can change them. So you can change the costume. You can change it from basic to spike at the very bottom of the when I start as a clone. So this just changes what the asteroids look like. You can see on my screen that when I select spike, they all have spikes, right? When I select basic, they all have the regular one.
Yeah, my computer's just being really slow again. And it's like I have to reboot it like every like 2 minutes.
Hmm. Can't really do anything about that. Sorry. Okay. So now we're going to give each clone a type. So go to variables and then click make a variable. And then let's call it asteroid type. And this one, you're going to select for this sprite only. Now, the reason we select for this sprite only is because we want each individual asteroid to have a different like asteroid type variable, so they can hold different values. So, like for example, asteroid one holds the type one, and then asteroid two may hold the type two. So they may be different. So we're going to select for the sprite only, and then we're going to click OK. So now we have a new asteroid type variable. We're going to set this asteroid type variable to let's see, 0 at the very beginning in the when flag clicked block over here, right here. And then we're going to drag out an if. We want it to randomly be a type depending on, I mean, sorry, we want it to be a different type based on chance. So to simulate a chance, we're going to drag on an equals and a pick random. So let's say we pick a random number between 1 and 3. What is the probability that it equals 1? Well, that's going to be 1/3, right? So there's a 1/3 chance that,
I don't see the set asteroid type to 0.
oh, it should be in variables. Sorry. If you made the variable,
Yeah, oh,
yep,
okay.
right here, set asteroid type to 0. That just initializes it. So at the very beginning, we make sure to reset it back to 0 every single time.
Yeah, but then for mine, it says for variables, it says make a variable or make a list.
Oh, you have to make the asteroid type variable first, right? So you're gonna click make a variable. You're gonna name it asteroid type. You're gonna select for this sprite only. You have to select for this sprite only. It's very important. And then you're gonna click OK. But since I already have it, I'm not gonna click OK. All right.
Okay.
My backdrop turned black.
Uh oh, I think I may know the reason why. May have changed this to. Oh, I see. So you probably changed the final switch costume to on the very bottom. You change it to big. Make sure to change it between basic and spike and not big. All right. I'm gonna make mine just basic for now.
It says spike.
We'll just click the flag again. Try it out.
Oh yeah, that works.
All right. So remember what this code does is it activates 1/3 of the time. So like on average, every 3 times you run this when I start as a clone, this thing should activate 1 time. So in here, we're gonna set the asteroid type to, let's see, let's make it basic. Make sure this name matches the name of your basic asteroid. So if you name basic asteroid something else, make sure you type the exact name. And the case matters as well. So make sure it's not capital if yours isn't capital like mine. Okay, now we're going to go back to control and then we're going to drag out an if then else block. And we're actually going to move all this into the if then else because we need an else statement. So when this does not happen, which is 2/3 of the time, we're going to make it do something else. And that something else is going to be setting asteroid type to spike. And again, if you named your spiky asteroid some another name, then make sure to put that in this parameter over here, in this space over here. All right. So once you have this code ready, we're just going to insert it right into the when I started as a clone on the very top, right here. Put it in. And every time a new clone is created, it has a 1/3 chance of being a basic one and a 2/3 chance of being a spike. Now, the variable itself doesn't do anything, right? Like the code knows that like maybe this asteroid is basic and another asteroid is spike, but it won't actually change costume. So that's why we need to put the actual variable into the switch costume too. So we're going to go to variables. We're going to drag in this round parameter, asteroid type, and then we're going to click it into the space over here. Switch costume to asteroid type. So now depending on what type it is, it'll switch to that costume. You can see that I have one regular, one spiky. Well, when I click the flag again, of course, another spiky. Oh, three spiky. Huh. That's interesting. Lots of spiky ones.
For some reason, there's always like one asteroid that just like stays put and it doesn't move.
Oh, that may be your regular. That may be your non-clone one. So make sure you put hide before everything in the when flag clicked. All right? That should fix it if you didn't have it there already. A hide. This ensures that the regular one stays hidden because we only want the clones to appear, right?
And also, sometimes like they spawn in the middle.
Oh, okay. For that, you'll just have to look over the code over here and just make sure it's the exact same because this is the thing that spawns everything. So make sure you have these ones correct. It's a lot of numbers, but yeah, that's the only thing that would cause the issue. Huh? Sorry, what?
I was late. Did you add a code?
Oh, yeah, I added quite a bit of code actually. So let me zoom out a bit so you all can see your respective points. Okay, so let me show you what I added here. So this is the code I added. I created a new variable, asteroid type, and I made it for this sprite only. Okay, so make sure you make it
Okay.
for
Wait, can I see
this
the?
sprite only.
Wait, can I see the on top?
For mine, there's just like a ginormous black panel in my screen.
Can I see the top?
Hold on. You don't need to see the top because the top is just when I start as clone. This block up
Okay.
here is just when I start as clone. These are the new blocks of code we added. Sorry, Hannah. What was your question?
So all over the place. I can only see a bit of my asteroids, but most of the time I see big.
Ooh, I see. So can you click your flag again and try it out? Does that work?
Yeah.
Oh, does it work now once you click the flag?
Yes.
Okay, great. Awesome.
It's the same exact code.
Okay, so could you tell me about like which direction the asteroids are going when they appear on the screen? Like appear in the middle of the screen?
Oh, random.
I mean, yeah, it's random, but it should be a general direction. So is it generally to the left or generally to the right?
Generally to the bottom left or the top right.
Bottom left or top right?
Yeah.
Huh. That is interesting. Does it spawn in the exact center? So like zero,
No.
zero center? No?
No.
Where does it spawn?
It spawns like.
What did you say? Sorry?
It's like. It's like around 39x to negative 91x to around 28y to around like negative 100y.
Uh, hmm. You know, let's see. Hmm. Do they just appear on the edges of the screen or like in the complete center as well?
It's both.
Oh, well, let's see. Okay, how about let's go through it one by one. This code over here, the X over here should be 280,
Yeah,
right? And on the Y area, it should say pick random between negative 220 to 220.
yeah,
And then it should point in direction, picking random from negative 179 to negative 1. And the order
Yeah.
does matter. All
yeah,
right. Down here, it should be negative 280.
yeah.
Pick random between negative 220 to 220.
Oh, it's new. Oh, 220. Okay.
Yep. And then over here, it should be point direction from 1 to 179.
Yeah,
And then just go through the rest down here and just make sure that you don't have another mistake somewhere. And it
yeah.
should
Okay,
work
got it.
fine.
Yeah.
Great. Awesome.
Wait, no, it's still appearing sometimes somewhere in the middle.
Then maybe you have to check the bottom down here as well. These 4 pieces of code. Did you see any problems?
No.
No? Okay, let's run through it then. Negative 280 to 280. And then for the Y, it's
Yeah.
220.
Yeah.
Point in random direction, 91 to 269.
Yes.
And this one down here should be X pick random between negative 280 to 280.
Yeah.
The Y should be negative 220.
Yeah.
Down here should be pick random between negative 89 to 89.
Yeah.
Does it work now when you click the flag again?
Yeah.
Sorry, does it work now?
No, wait. Uh, kind of.
What do you mean by that?
It's like it's not spawning exactly at the edge, it's just like a little bit off of it.
It's like
Actually,
you can
never mind.
see it.
Never mind. It's still spawning in the middle. It's still
Um,
spawning in the middle.
Okay, well, I guess for now that shouldn't be too big a problem. We can probably work on it later. We can just continue for now because it shouldn't be too big. It shouldn't impact your code later on, and I can help you later. All right? Okay. So, y'all, let's
I'm not
continue.
done yet.
All right. Then we can wait a bit, I guess. Yeah. Do you need help on anything? On catching up on anything?
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, great. Awesome. Okay, so now let's make the bullets actually do something to the asteroids, right? So we're gonna scroll down to the very bottom in the asteroid code. Uh, in the when I start as a clone clump of code, right? Scroll to the very bottom. This is where the forever loop kind of ends. And down here, we're gonna go to control, drag on an if, and we're gonna go to sensing, and then we're gonna check if it's touching the bullet.
It still doesn't work for me.
Sorry, what doesn't work?
The asteroid.
The asteroid what now?
The asteroid thing
Uh, what exactly is the problem? Could you please describe it? Like,
it doesn't show any asteroids.
oh, okay. Let me just help you real quick. Up here, you should have a forever loop where it's wait 3 seconds and create a clone of myself.
Yeah, I have
That's
that.
the thing that spawns. And then click the flag. And then it should work. Does it work?
No.
Did you put this forever
Oh,
loop?
wait. Yes.
It's working?
No, it's not.
Did you put it under the when flag clicked?
Yeah.
Uh, just, well, did you make sure to show the clone right over here? Show?
Yes.
Mm, just wait like 10 seconds after you click the flag. All right.
But
Mm.
it doesn't work. I've waited more than 10 seconds.
Well, uh, okay, what are your two types of asteroids called in the costume menu? So I have basic and spike. What are the names?
I also has basic and spike.
Okay.
And costume 1, which is a big thing.
Yeah. Okay, so for over here, make sure you have set asteroid type to basic and set asteroid type to spike and to pick random between 1 to 3 equals 1.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, I have that.
Wait, on the bottom is it if something something? What is it?
I have that. And it's not working.
On the bottom, it should be if touching bullet, then
Oh,
if touching
okay.
bullet.
Wait, are you on the...
I'm in the asteroid.
Okay, yeah, I have that same code. Like,
Well, I mean, so you do have the forever loop, right? Because
yeah.
and then you have wait 3 seconds.
Yeah, wait, let me check. Wait, where?
Right over here in the when flag clicked code,
Wait, let me check.
and then create a clone of
I
myself.
have 3 seconds.
Yeah, but do you have create a clone of myself?
Yes.
And it says myself, right? Myself.
Yes, myself.
Does this have a when I start as a clone hat?
Yeah.
Do you have asteroid type set to basic?
Yeah.
Asteroid type. Make sure the variable is asteroid type.
Yeah, I have asteroid and
Okay.
spit.
Well, does your screen look black? Does it look black?
No. It's just my ship.
Does the background look black? Dark?
Dark. Wait, no.
Well,
Don't know.
I mean, just while I'm doing the other stuff, just check over the code. I really don't know what's the problem. So I think we can just continue for now and maybe solve your problem later, all right?
My screen is still black.
Okay. Well, uh, Did you all make sure to put asteroid type in here?
Yeah, I put it there.
And it's on the very bottom, right? Switch costume to asteroid type,
Mm-hmm.
the variable.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, let's see. Yeah, that doesn't cause a problem. So, I don't know. Again, we can fix this later. Let's just go down and finish this swing with numbers. Okay, so back to everyone. Down here, it says if touching the bullet, right? We want the asteroid to be destroyed or at least damaged. All right. So we're going to create a new variable. We're going to name it health, asteroid health, actually. Asteroid health. And then make sure it's for this sprite only, because this ensures that each different asteroid will have a different asteroid health. They have an independent asteroid health.
And then do we press OK?
Sorry, what did you say?
And then do we press OK?
Yep, of course. You press OK. Now you should have asteroid health. So we're going to set asteroid health to, let's say, should we do 6 at the very beginning? Right after the asteroid type, setting asteroid type to 0.
I'm gonna go use the restroom really quickly. Yeah.
All right, I'll just pause here for a while because other people do need some time to catch up as well, right?
Okay.
Can I see the code?
Wait, hold on. What code do you want to see?
The one on the bottom.
The one on the bottom? So this one that I'm
Yeah.
showing right now? Yeah. I'll just keep it here.
My code, like my background changed from like my background to like the big costume.
Okay, so big costume?
Yeah, it changed in the middle.
Can you click your flag again and then try it out? Because usually clicking the flag solves some of these temporary problems. But if not, you can tell me.
Um, yeah, it's still happening.
Still happening? Okay,
Yeah.
let's see. So, what are your two costumes named? They should be called um Basic and Spike, right? Those are the two names.
Yeah.
Yep. And then up here you do have this code, Basic and Spike.
Yeah.
Yep, nice. And it's Set asteroid too, right? It should be saying Set.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Did you switch costume to asteroid type over here?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Are all your asteroids big or are some of them normal?
All my asteroids are either, well, they're mostly spike.
Oh, so only some of them are big?
And no, like the whole background changes to big.
Does the big like sprite move around? Does it
Yeah.
look like it's moving around?
Yeah, it's like covering up the whole background and the asteroids.
Okay. Hmm. All right. Do y'all have this forever loop that's like separate from the code above? That's just a forever loop with this code in it. You have that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just snap it back on. And then in this code, you have switch costume to be at the very beginning, right?
Yeah.
And then near the end, you have switch costume to asteroid type.
Yeah.
Could you remove that asteroid type for a second?
Okay.
Now are all the asteroids normal?
Uh, no, they're still spiked.
Okay. How about you click the flag again? And now you see. Oh, sorry, you have them as spike. So there are no more big ones, right?
Yeah. Well, like the whole costume's big.
I mean, like there are no more asteroids that have the big costume, right? No more black background,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, so when you were creating your asteroid type, you did click for this sprite only, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now put the asteroid type back into the switch costume. Okay. Now click the flag one more time. Is it working now? Is it working now?
No, it's still like in the middle, it switches to big.
In the middle? So what do you mean by in the middle?
Like it'll be like my background for like some time, and then it suddenly switches to the big background.
I see. I see. So the big black background?
Yeah.
Hmm. Huh. Let's see. Um,
Can I use the bathroom?
yeah, of course.
Okay.
So you're saying it just changes randomly, right?
Yeah.
Do your other asteroids like change randomly in the middle of like moving around?
It's not the asteroids.
It's not the asteroids?
No, it's the background.
Background. So does your screen look somewhat like mine? Like this?
Like it's that, and then it switches to
Like
the,
this?
yeah.
Kind of like what's happening here?
Yeah.
Where you can see part of the background sometimes. So look, my entire screen is covered now, but sometimes
Yeah.
there's a sliver.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that's actually the problem with your asteroid. That's the big costume is showing. So instead of the big, you should change it to basic, and then you should put the asteroid type in, right?
Yeah.
So is the code the exact same down here? Switch costume to asteroid type, the variable.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have this code up here that sets asteroid type? Make sure it actually sets asteroid type. Okay. Asteroid type.
Yeah.
How about you set asteroid type to 1 at the very beginning?
Oh wait, I know what the problem is. Okay, never mind.
All right, great. All right, everyone, let's continue. Okay, so when we sense that it's touching the bullet, we're gonna change asteroid health by 1. Okay, so we're gonna reduce it by, oh, sorry, change asteroid health by -1. So we're gonna reduce it by 1. So every time our bullet hits the thing, the asteroid, it'll change its health it'll lose 1 health, sorry. Okay, and we want to show that it loses that 1 health. So we're gonna give it like a temporary color change, if you will. So let's go to looks, scroll down a bit, and then you're gonna find set. The set color effect to block. Now we can change this color to brightness effect. We can change the brightness effect. I'm going to duplicate this so we get 2 set brightness effects too. The first one, let's set it to, let's say 60. Second one, let's just keep it at 0. And let's put the first one at the very beginning and the second one near the end. Then let's do, hold on a second.
Where'd you put the first one?
Before the change asteroid health by 1. So this one's the first one. And the second one is after. Because we want to change it, make it bright for a split second, and then change it back to normal later, right? And then we're actually going to drag out all this code. So if touching bullet, the code inside here, which should be these 5 blocks, drag that all out. And let's go to events. Sorry, not events, control, scroll down a bit, and let's drag out another one I started as clone. And let's put this under here. And finally, let's grab a repeat forever and nest it around the if, so that this thing is being checked forever as well. And then let's drag in a wait some seconds block. So let's do wait 0.2 seconds and put it after the asteroid health by -1, but before the set brightness effect to 0. So now when I hit an asteroid, you see it has that brightness effect. So it looks like it's getting hit, right?
For some reason, it turns into like the big sprite.
From just hitting it with a bullet?
Yeah, well, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. Do you still have the switch costume to asteroid type over here?
Yeah.
In the other when I start as clone?
Yeah.
It doesn't really change the asteroid health. Is that okay for now?
Oh yeah, no, that's completely fine. That's normal. Because
Oh, okay.
the asteroid health you see here is the universal one, not for each sprite. Each sprite has not each sprite, each clone, each asteroid has a different asteroid health. They can't show it all at once, so it'll only show the original one, which will always stay the same. So just hide the variable. And for you,
So-
Eddie, let's see. Let's see what could be the problem. So it just randomly changes to the big costume.
Yeah.
Maybe for now, could you just remove asteroid type from here and just keep it as basic? Can you tell me if
Sure.
all the asteroids are normal now?
It
Yeah.
doesn't work still.
It works now.
Like my the thing. Asteroid thing.
Yeah? What
Like
doesn't
so-
work?
There's no asteroids.
Oh, right. For you, yeah, let's go up a bit and let's find the when flag clicked over here.
Wait,
Right.
what?
Yeah, are you doing this on your on the same
iPad.
computer as your Zoom, right?
No, I'm doing it on my iPad. It's
Oh, on your iPad. Okay. All right, could you describe your problem more thoroughly, please? It's like it's just no asteroids are appearing. Is that
Yeah.
it? Let's see. Could you, for you, yeah, could you go down to the forever loop? Do you see the forever loop inside the when I start as a clone?
let me find that. Wait, where?
The forever loop.
Yeah, I see it now.
Okay, could you could you go to looks and then add in
Wait.
show?
Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, I'm in my. Oh shoot! I added a code in the.
Can
wrong-
you go to the bottom?
Wait.
Because like every time
Oh,
I hit,
okay.
Yeah, I can go to the bottom.
Wait.
every time I hit a bullet, it doesn't get right, I guess.
It doesn't hit right.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's just that I missed something at the bottom. So I just kind of want to double check my bottom.
Okay, yeah, of course. I'm showing the bottom
Okay.
right now.
So where? Oh, okay, see it. Now what?
Does yours work now? Yeah.
No.
Okay.
There's still though.
Did you place a show block in this forever loop? Just like show over here.
Let me see.
A show block.
No.
Then go ahead and do that real quick.
Let me try.
Keep the code on the bottom for a bit longer.
Okay. It's not working still. Yeah, it's not working.
What should I do with my code? Should I just keep my code like this?
Yeah, you can keep your code like that, Eddie. It's okay. You won't have the spiky ones, but that should be fine. It doesn't really change anything. It's just what it looks like. If everything else works, that's great.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, could you, is this block highlighted when you are clicking the green, when you click the green flag? Is this block like highlighted? So you
let
can
me
see my
see.
screen over
No,
here?
it's not highlighted.
So, okay, look, it's not highlighted right now, but when I click the flag, it's gonna be like it has a glow around it. Does yours
No,
have a
it's-
glow?
No.
Are you even clicking the flag then?
Yes, I am.
Maybe can
I
you
mean,
save
when
your
I click the code, it glows.
yeah, okay. So could you save your project real quick? And could you reload your page? So refresh your page.
Okay. Is
There
that
should be a
refresh?
reload button, and it should refresh your entire page.
Let me. Okay, refreshed it.
Now go back to the asteroid sprite. Remember, you're in the asteroid sprite.
Asteroid sprite. Yeah.
Yep. And then go to the place where you have forever, and wait 3 seconds. Create a clone of myself over here.
Yeah.
Now click the flag again and
Oh,
see
I'm
if that.
missing something. I'm missing something.
What are you
It
missing?
set asteroid health to 6.
Oh, well, that shouldn't be the
Let
problem.
me see. Let me see if it works.
That wouldn't fix it if it's not working. So
Oh, yeah, true. But I don't know what to do.
um well, when you click the flag, does it glow? Can you tell me now? Does it glow?
No.
All right. Could you tell me, does this even say when flag clicked?
Oh, it
Oh
says
gosh.
when I start as clone.
Oh gosh, yeah, that's the problem.
Oopsies. Let me see if that's the problem.
Yeah, that would
Oh,
be the
yes,
problem.
it works. But no asteroids are show. Oh, only one is showing.
Well, every 3 seconds another one shows up, so.
Oh, okay, get it, I get it.
All
Okay,
right, great.
fixed. It's fixed.
All right, everyone. Now let's make sure that the bullet
Oh yeah,
disappears after.
do the asteroids die now?
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh, where
All right, everyone. Now let's make sure that when our bullet hits the asteroid, it actually gets absorbed, so it doesn't shoot through the asteroid like it is right now. Okay? So let's go to the bullet code. All right. So over here in the bullet code, we make it run. We make the bullet like continue moving until it touches the edge. Then it disappears, right? Now we're gonna drag on an OR from the operators, and then another touching from the sensing. We're gonna change the touching to touching asteroid. Then we're gonna drag in the touching edge, and then drag in the OR back into there. So now it checks both. If we're touching the edge or touching the asteroid, then it will stop moving for both of them. So that means when it touches an asteroid, it will also disappear. So you can take a look. Let's see. There we go.
I
When it hits
can
an
stay there
asteroid.
for a second
Yep, of course.
because my computer was being slow again.
Yeah. So all I did was I added the OR and the touching asteroid over here. That's all I did.
It's not working.
What's not working?
The touching asteroid thing. When it touches asteroid, it's gone.
Well, yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. You can see when mine touches an asteroid, it's gone.
It's
Just
I mean, no. When mine touches, when the asteroid touches the spaceship or the spaceship touches the asteroid, it doesn't go gone. It's not gonna be gone.
what's not good? What?
It's
Wait,
like still here.
What's-
Never mind. I have the same code.
Does
It's
it work?
okay. Yeah, but like not. Yeah.
I don't really understand what you're trying to say.
Never mind. It's okay.
Okay. Okay, so now when we shoot a bullet, like our player is still invincible. It can still hit the asteroids and be fine. But now when our bullets hit the asteroids, they go out along with damaging the asteroid. All right? So finally, we're just going to make sure that the asteroid disappears once it gets hit enough. So if we go into the asteroid, again, right? And then in here, if we drag on an if, and let's put it on the side, make sure you're in the asteroid sprite, drag on an if, and we're going to check if health is equal to 0 or less than 0. So we're going to go to operators and drag out a less than symbol. And then we're going to go to variables and drag out an asteroid health and put it in the first circle. So when asteroid health is less than, we're going to say 1, because less than 1 means it's 0 or it's -1 or it's anything less, right? So when asteroid health is less than 1, we want to delete the clone. We want to just make it disappear now. So we're going to go to control, go down, and then we're going to try to delete this clone. Put it in there.
Wait. Oh, I get it now. Okay.
All right. Now we're just going to drag this in and we're going to insert this piece of code between the change asteroid health by -1 and wait 0.2 seconds. So I'm going to insert it right over here.
Can you wait? My iPad just ran out of battery. Yeah, it's sad.
Well, we only have 5 minutes left, so later you could watch the recording, or maybe you can just watch right now. I won't make many
Okay.
changes. This is going to be one of the final changes I make. Okay. All right. So now when I click flag, everyone, and let me shoot this asteroid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times, it disappears, just like that. We destroy the asteroid. Just like that. Very nice. Very nice.
My health isn't like decreasing.
Oh, that's normal. That's normal. Once again, you don't really care about that variable because that's like the variable for the original asteroid. Each asteroid has a different health. So if I hit one of the asteroids, only that asteroid will reduce its health. So basically the program is unable to show all the healths at once, so it just shows the general health. So
Okay.
it shouldn't be changing at all. But if you hit an asteroid 6 times total, it should disappear. Right. Maybe we can reduce the asteroid health to, let's say, 3 in the very beginning here to demonstrate it a bit better. So if I click flag again, now I have all of it. I can shoot this thing 3 times. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Right, and it's disappeared. It's gone.
For some reason, it takes more than 3 shots.
Um,
Hand. So,
Well, I mean, it's just like because it has like a moment where so the flashing kind of thing, it can't get hit when it's flashing. So that's kind of like invincible for a second. Sorry, what did you say?
Can I see the code again?
Oh yeah, of course. Also, everyone, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to move this thing down a bit. So we're gonna drag the wait 2 seconds and the set brightness, and then we're gonna put it above the if then, all right? Above the if then. And that should be the only change we make for now.
Can I see the upper part of
The upper part?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't change anything, so there shouldn't be anything different.
Oh.
Yeah, I only changed the bottom down here. I only added this thing. That's it. All right. Now, everyone, let's go to the sound tab in the asteroids. and then let's choose a sound. Okay? I'm gonna go to effects, and then I'm gonna find an effect that sounds like an asteroid exploding or something like that. Oh, not that one. That one's too loud. Let's see.
But I thought you could make it quieter.
Well, you can, but I'd like something else is what I
Wait,
mean.
what are you gonna do?
Oh, sorry. We're gonna go and pick a sound in Asteroid. So make sure you're in Asteroid Sprite. We're gonna click the
Yeah.
sound tab, and then go to the
Yeah.
bottom left and choose a sound in the bottom left.
Okay.
Choose a sound, and then I clicked effects because that's where usually all the good stuff is.
What do you want to use the sound for?
When the thing explode, when the asteroid is destroyed. Not that one.
Can I do pop?
Sorry, what?
Can I do pop?
Pop? You think pop works well? Yeah, of course, you can do that.
Well, it doesn't sound very good, but then all of them don't really.
Yeah, I get that. Let's see what.
Do you think
Do
this
oops.
is a good one?
Do
Which
oops.
one?
This one?
Oh, oops won't work well because every time we destroy one, that will happen.
You should do orchestra.
Orchestra? Let me search that one up.
Orchestra. Next to yeah.
No.
Please do it.
That would sound really bad in the game.
No,
Maybe-
it won't.
Maybe
It'll
let's
sound
just do
like
pop.
that.
I'm just gonna pick pop, all right? So
No,
pop
you
you already
should do-
have in the
do
sound tab. It
orchestra.
should be default. That'll happen
Please.
every single time you destroy it. It'll be kind of annoying. Okay?
But it'll sound cool.
So over
It'll
here,
be better
if
than
the
other-
asteroid health is less than 1, we have to delete this clone. But let's just add in one more thing. Let's start sound pop or whatever sound you chose. Okay? That's all I added. Just start a sound pop or whatever sound you chose. Start sound, whatever sound you chose, and then right before the delete, this clone. So now when I full screen and I shoot an asteroid, every time an asteroid is destroyed, it makes a popping sound. So even though I don't hit the asteroid 3 times, you can see that it flashes 3 times. Because when it's flashing, that means it's invincible for a bit. So you can't destroy it for when it's flashing. But when it stops flashing, you can hit it again. So 1, 2, 3, and it's destroyed. 1, 2, 3. Oh well, that one escaped. 3, 3, 3. Yep, there we go. All right. Good job, everyone. Save your project. And we're
Wait,
done for
where'd
today.
you put the start sound thing?
Oh, start sound right over here. In the asteroid sprite, right over here on the very bottom. In this when I
Asteroid
start this
health.
code,
It's kind of okay.
right here. All right, make sure to save your project, and we're done for today. So, good job, everyone. Next time we'll add in. Sorry, is there a problem?
No.
No, you're just happy. All
What?
right, so next time we'll just add in some health for the player so the player can actually get hit by the asteroid. And then maybe we'll add in some extra touches as well.
Can I
all right?
go?
Yeah, of course. Class is over,
Bye.
so see
Bye.
y'all.
Bye.
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 Bye, thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Of course.
All right, bye.
All right, bye. Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.
Yep. Bye. Have a great week.